How to make a booking website using Calendly. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own booking website using Calendly. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're just going to do is you're going to go onto calendly.com, and this is basically a simple to use scheduling and appointment scheduling software. So what you're just going to do on calendly.com to get started is click on get started at the top right over here, and over here, you're just going to enter your email. You're going to click on sign up over here. And then you're going to click on sign up with Google, or if you want to create your account with your password, so you can click over here. But I'm going to continue with the Google sign up. So I'm just going to sign up to my Google account over here. And I'm just going to click on allow. And what this basically does is that this allows you to have your appointments scheduled right onto your Google Calendar as well. So you can view them on your phone as well. And that really just helps you because usually you're checking your phone for your appointments. And once you have Calendly synced in with Google, you have all of them present over there. So over here, I'm just going to enter the name that I want for my Calendly calendar. And I'm just going to name it Jane Doe 02, like so. So once you have done that, you're just going to enter your time zone. So whatever it might be, I'm going to continue with this, and I'm just going to click on continue over here. Now after that, they will ask you for any conflicts or anything like that with your Google Calendar if you want to check those. And then you're going to set your availability hours. So you can set these up later as well. And I'm going to make myself available 7 days a week, and I want my availability hours to actually be 5 p.m. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to go with 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this could be like a side hustle, or like I'm going to continue with an example of being like a therapy provider. So we're going to continue with that. And then I'm just going to enter other over here. And I'm just going to click on finish. Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this standard little meeting. You're just going to delete this. And now you're going to create what kind of bookings you actually have. So you can set specific event types or specific kind of meetups that you do. If you have like a very standard version of meetups, then you can definitely create them over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on create, and then you're going to click on event type, and this is like a simple event that other people can schedule you for. So let's say I'm a therapy provider, so I'm going to click on this one-on-one, and I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to name this could be cognitive behavioral therapy session, like so. And then I can add my location. It could be a physical location, or it could also be in any of those online meetups. So I'm going to continue with an in-person meeting, and I'm just going to enter XYZ. I'm going to click on update, and then I can write a description of what type of booking this is or what type of appointment this is. And then you have your basic event link, and then you have a color denoting the event. So I'm just going to use a blue color to denote this event. And now you can see over here you have your invitees can schedule 60 days ahead in the calendar. So you can limit however much you want to be booked in the future. So maybe I don't want to be booked after the 1 month. So people can only schedule me 30 days ahead. They can't schedule me for like 2 months later or 3 months later. They can only schedule me for within the current month. Now, after that, you have the duration, and this is going to be a 60-minute schedule, a 60-minute booking or a therapy session, whatever you might want to call it. And then you have your existing schedule or custom hours. So you can also set custom hours. You can also create like VIP hours, and I'm going to show you how to do that later. But you can also schedule these at what type of event this is. So this is definitely working hours. And I'm just going to click on next over here. And just like that, I have a simple little event added. So if I go onto my homepage once more on Calendly, you can see I have this CBT session. And if I click on this link over here, this is basically my booking website or appointment scheduling website. This is how it's going to look like. And if someone wants to book me for a CBT session, they can just click on over here, and then they can just choose whatever date fits them. They can scroll ahead and then book me till the 15th of April because it's currently the 17th. So they can book me in 1 month advance, but not after that. So if they want to book me, they can just click on over here, and then they can select a time between my scheduling. So it could be 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, or 7. And if I go back, I can create more similar kinds of events, but I can also set custom dates for those. So if you go onto Calendly and if you go into your actual account or scheduled events, you can browse all the kinds of events you have. Whatever your bookings are, you can view them over here. And then in your workflows, you can save time and have like a reminder email. So if I want to send a reminder email to all of my clients that they have a therapy session today, so you can send a reminder email to your clients, or you can send a thank you email to any of your customers or clients whenever they have visited you, and this will be a automatic email. So this will be sent regardless of even if you had a good time with them or not. But you can also text a reminder and text a booking confirmation or email your own feedback survey. So there are more templates available as well where you can find like all types of reminders or thank you letters or notes to your clients that you can send. They just feel like this is a more professional setup. They will feel a lot more included once you send them like a reminder text or a reminder email. And people find those to be super high end, and it's a simple little feature that is available for free on Calendly. Now, if you go onto your account over here, and if you go actually into your integrations, you can integrate your Calendly for Chrome, you can integrate it with Zoom. So if you're using a primary project management software or any kind of software that you usually like to work on, you can easily integrate Calendly into that as well and schedule your availability according to that. Now, how do you actually set up custom hours? Well, you're just going to click on availability over here. And now you can see this is like your default schedule. And you can click on new schedule, and you can create like a separate schedule for something else as well. But what you can do is that you can create a new interval, and then you can create like a specific time of event. Now, if I go onto home, and if I create a new one-off meeting, I can set it like if this is a one-off meeting, if this is like a business meeting I have with someone, I can create a one-off meeting over here just for myself, just for like a reminder to self. Or if I want to create, I can also schedule a group meeting after offering times to vote. So this is going to be like if you're holding like something for like a school group or a university group or something like that, you can vote on what time is suitable for most to all people and then set a meeting accordingly. Now, if you were to create a new event, or not a new event, if I go back into my CBT session and I click on over here and I open this up like so, I have these over here, and then you can have overrides on your specific availability. So you can click on add additional rules to your availability, and then you have your basic availability rules. So invitees can't schedule within 4 hours of an event starting time. So people can't schedule me 4 hours before this actually starts, which is around 7. So people can't contact me at like 12 in the morning and be like, hey, I need to have a therapy session today. That's not going to be possible. And then you can also click on set custom hours, and you can click on add override dates. So you can add specific dates where you don't want any kind of scheduling. You want like a full day, a busy day. So you can schedule those like so as well. So that is how simple and easy it is to create your own booking site using Calendly. It's a very simple to use and intuitive booking or scheduling software. And you can see over here that the pages that they create for your website are also very professional looking. They look very nice. It's like an overall very neat and clean look that you can easily use on your business account or use on any kind of your booking needs. So whatever kind of profession you're in, I think Calendly is going to suffice very well. Now, Calendly is available for free, and they also have paid versions, but for most people, I think the free version is going to be okay. Now, they do have a premium version starting at $8 per seat per month who need more powerful scheduling automation. So over here, they can connect calendar connections per person, 2 calendar connections per person. They can also have unlimited active event types, so they can create as many events as they want, and like you can literally manage or micromanage your entire life on Calendly if you want to upgrade to the essentials version basically. And then you also have the professional version starting at $12 per seat per month, where this is more for like businesses or larger teams where a lot of people need it. And then they have the $16 per seat per month teams version as well. So for most people, I don't think you need to upgrade from the free version, but if you do feel like you need more powerful tools or automation, you can definitely check out their paid versions as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.